So I want to take a second here to walk you through our operation. So once the design consultant has done the job, you have a contract, then he turns that into the tech department. So we're going to take a second and walk over to the tech department and check that out. This is my son Trent. He handles all the production for the company. Now this is a folder and it's written up by the design consultant. It gives all the information of what the customer wants on the job and what's going to happen.
From here it gets put on the crew board. We have the crews on the left with the days of the week on the top. We put the job name, customer name on the day it's going to start. It lets us know when he's starting and when he's finishing and what job the crew is going to next. And now we'll go down to the crew board. Okay, here's the crew schedule board, which is basically the same board as we have upstairs. It's got the crews on the left with the days of the week on the top. For example, Martin would come in on Thursday to see where he's going. He'd pull down his job pack. It's got the customer's name on here. It's got the direction of where it is. It's got the type of stone we're using. It's got the color, stone, and pattern. It's got the purchase order, which tells us what's coming exactly from the manufacturer so he can check those as they're coming off the truck. It has the site layout, which shows exactly what we're doing on the job, and it's got a map on how to get there. And from here, I would give this to the job supervisor, which we meet every morning, and we go over any questions that they might have on the job. The first thing we do is show up to your job with a bobcat, just like this. We use this bobcat to tear out your old concrete, asphalt driveway or patio. Then another crew shows up with a truck and a trailer. And the trailer we use to keep all the tools and equipment in. And we keep the trailer at the job so we can put the tools and equipment in the trailer instead of all over the job site or all over your property. And the truck's used to bring the guys to and from work and to clean up the job on a daily basis. The crew also at the end of the day writes on this clipboard what they need for the next day. And we have another crew that works here just at the yard, and their job is to make sure that each crew and each truck is loaded the night before, so when the crew shows up the next morning, they're ready to go. We basically have our own materials yard here that's just for us.